founded 115 years ago, Enugu has played host to countless historic occasions and visits by dignitaries from across the world. But this visit clearly represents a major highlight in Enugu's illustrious history. Your visit today is going to remain indelible in the annals of our history. Your Excellency, the honor that your visit connotes isn't simply borne by my government. It is an honor that the entire state, I dare say the entire Southeast, will cherish for a long time. It is an honor that draws an effusive gratitude from us. So we say a very big thank you and a warm welcome to Enugu State, Your Excellency. Your presence here today is also an opportunity for us to happily commend you for signing the Southeast Development Commission bill. We are particularly delighted because besides fostering infrastructural revamp and tackling peculiar ecological challenges in the Southeast, this commission will complement the many development strides unfolding across Enugu State. Just a few days ago, Your Excellency, you were announced by this day Board of Editors as the Man of the Year. This is a fitting honor that speaks to your steely determination to put our dear country back to the path of steady growth. Congratulations, Mr. President. Your Excellency, your credential as a true federalist stands out brightly, and the legacies thereof will for long earn you resounding accolades. In signing the Electricity Act, you liberalized electricity generation, transmission, and distribution. That singular act will always rank as an enduring legacy. It is noteworthy that Enugu State was the first subnational to which regulatory oversight of the local electricity market was ceded. That's a reflection of how swiftly we are pursuing the goals we have set for ourselves. Our dreams may be grand, but by no means grandiose. Our goals include growing our economy from the current levels we met it of $4.4 billion to $30 billion. But we also recognize that a lot of the growth will come from private sector and that it would be government enabled but private sector driven, and which was why we immediately set forth at dawn. We recognize the security challenges. When we assumed office, we had the illegal sit at home, that this was a situation where some gang of criminals would dictate to us the days of the week we should sit at home and the days of the week we should work. We did not find that acceptable or even excusable. So we immediately made very consequential pronouncements, and with the support and the unwavering commitment of the security agencies, the police, the DSS, the Army, Your Excellency, I'm pleased to announce that we no longer observe sit at home in Enugu. Our people go to work every day of the week, and we no longer take orders from non-state actors. And We have been through a number of projects which Your Excellency has graciously commissioned. A number of those projects are essentially connecting the dots for us to enable us realize our dream of growing the economy from the current levels of 4.4 billion to 30 billion. Our development model is one that it's all encompassing and inclusive. It takes into account the weakest amongst us, and which is why in the smart school, the smart green school that Your Excellency commissioned earlier today, it's being built across the 260 electoral wards in Enugu State. We're also doing the same intervention in the healthcare space. But Your Excellency, all these infrastructural developments are largely possible because of the bold initiatives you have taken, the courageous pronouncements you made in order to free up funds for development, the removal of fuel subsidy, the unification of the foreign exchange, and also a number of social interventions that your government continues to provide for the people of this country. We are now essentially, with those funds freed, able to fully complete these infrastructural projects. And it's not just fiscal infrastructure. They are both social infrastructure and digital infrastructure going on. So we thank you very much. I know the day is fast spent, and indeed we're honored that you were able to honor us with your presence to do this commissioning. I'm going to essentially yield the floor for our people who may have one or two things to say to you and invite you perhaps to respond. Thank you very much once again.